In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable parallax effect on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether your Apple Watch Series 9 is 41mm or 45mm, whether it has cellular or not, whether it is GPS only or GPS and cellular, then you can easily enable or turn on parallax effect on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is click on the Apple Watch digital crown once to exit the clock face. Then locate the settings icon on the app library and click on it. Then scroll down until you get to accessibility and click on it. Now once you selected accessibility, you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to reduce motion, then tap it. Then to enable or turn on parallax effect on Apple Watch Series 9, just turn this on. And then if you want to enable the parallax effect on autoplay messages, then turn this on. This is going to autoplay message effect on full screen. So that's all you need to do to turn on or enable parallax effect on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.